Too funny. She's moving this balloon around. Oh, they'll go get it again, girl. Go get it again. Yay, good girl. You get that balloon. Oh my gosh, what if she flies with it? Okay, this is gonna be too cute. Why don't you fly with it? Go fly. Fly like a canary. Fly like a canary. Go on. Good girl. You could fly. You just never know what they're going to get into next. I will be putting up a video shortly of them trying to live in my created dioramas, yes? And somewhat tearing them apart, but nonetheless enjoying them. They're really not that destructive. Maybe a little bit. Too cute.